morning. Well, next point. I'm Dimitar Stoyanov and going to present you our web-based demand forecasting tool. Oh, okay. So, what's the problem? Classical view of a company is of a value chain that transforms the raw materials into a finished goods. From market perspective, company value chain can split into two major components: supply chain and demand chain. Market demand is very rarely uniform. It can change because of factors beyond a company control, like weather, time of year, and exceptional events, but also it can change because of factors within a company control, like marketing and promotion activity. Marketing and promotion activity boost your sales, but also may stretch your supply chain to its breaking. To run smoothly all company value chain, you need from accurate forecasting. What we do, we analyze market demand and promotion performance, taking into account various factors like seasonality trends and exceptional events to isolate baseline. Baseline is natural market demand of a product. Using this baseline and data for promotion in the past, we can successfully identify how much a new promo will change your sales volumes, what will be the effect of a new promo on the rest of product portfolio, cannibalization or uplift, and when a campaign has reached a saturation point and promotions is no longer effective. Using our software, company can drive all costly supply chain operations and estimate a real return of each campaign. The uplift. What is really the uplift of promotions? By selling more, are we winning market for our competitors, or we are just cannibalizing another company product? To understand promotion uplifts, we need to know every component of this uplift. How much is cannibalization, how much is real growth, how much is forward buy. For example, if you are selling more today, mainly because of forward buy, when campaign is over, next month, sales will be much lower than the baseline level. By breaking down promotion effects into components, we successfully identify the return of each campaign. How we do it? No any underlying magic. Only 7 years research and development, 5 years experience with big companies and big projects, experience with bad practice, and what programming and testing. Our forecast engine includes 3 main parts: statistical model library that includes many statistical algorithms, but also our proprietary multi-factoring, nonlinear analysis algorithms, and machine learning algorithms. Model selection engine that identifies the best accuracy model by product and product portfolio, and plan generator that transforms the ready forecast to usable plans daily, weekly, and monthly. We also provide closed-loop analysis on the promotion performance, and our forecasting engine is powered by integration of external big data. With our previous company, we have integrated algorithms in few big customers. Danone Bulgaria uses our algorithms for demand forecasting sales and demand. Harris France, part of Barilla Group, use our algorithms for supply chain and logistic optimization. And Efficus Oreco, part of BNP Paribas, use our algorithms for human behavior analysis and bad debt forecasting. Based on our experience, we know that we can decrease marketing cost up to 15%, decrease inventory up to 30%, and improve current forecast accuracy up to 30%. We are different because of the way we offer our solution. It's cloud-powered, web-based solution that's not required integration to the client. Our major competitors like SAP high-tier and Locate medium-tier competitor, they provide long integration period, up to $500,000 project, or very difficult, very costly way of data preparing to forecast promotion. We do this automatically. The core team has strong mathematical and business background. My background is mathematics, Atanas Zichev, Computer Science and Analytics, and Emil Georgiev, Computer Science and MBA in London Business School. We know that we are the right team for this project. Revenue model is very simple. Web-based, cloud-powered, self-service solution, pay-per-use. Free updates, free data storage. Our approach to downshift enterprise class forecasting for small and middle-sized businesses. We raise 30K from Launch Cup. Currently, we have finished it with our statistical engine, and we have integrated free test clients with 1,000 items. In last quarter of the year, we're looking for 2,500 euro. Now, we'll be raising money in 9 months. Now we look for strategic partners. Thank you for your attention.